There is one transmission warning sign that shows up in almost every single Toyota that eventually suffers a major transmission failure. It's not a noise. It's not a warning light. It's not a smell or a vibration. It's something so subtle, so easy to rationalize, that even experienced drivers wave it off every single time it happens. And by the time they stop waving it off, the damage is already done and the bill is already waiting. I've been through thousands of Toyota owner reports, mechanic case studies, and dealership repair records putting this together. What I found is that this one warning sign appears weeks, sometimes months before a transmission fails, and nearly every owner who experienced it admits they noticed it and kept driving anyway. Today I'm going to tell you exactly what it is, what it means when it happens in your specific Toyota, how to tell if it's early stage or late stage, and precisely what you need to do the moment you experience it. Because the owners who acted on it early paid a few $100s. The ones who didn't paid several thousand. Before we get into it, drop your Toyota model and your current mileage in the comments right now. I want to see the full range. And if you've ever noticed something with your transmission and just kept driving, tell me that too. You're probably not alone, and this video might explain exactly what that was. If you're new here, subscribe now, because this channel exists to make sure Toyota owners never get caught off guard by a repair bill they could have avoided. Let's get into it. The warning sign is this: a brief, almost imperceptible pause or soft hesitation between gears during completely normal, everyday driving. Not a jerk, not a hard shift, not a noise. Just a moment, a fraction of a second, where the transmission feels like it thought about shifting and then did it. Like there was a tiny gap between the decision and the action. Most Toyota owners feel it and immediately think, that was weird, and then think nothing more of it, because the car kept going and everything felt fine afterward. That is exactly why it's so dangerous. Because it feels like nothing. And in a Toyota, a car famous for running smoothly and quietly for hundreds of thousands of miles, anything that feels like nothing is very easy to file away as nothing. But that hesitation is not nothing. That hesitation is your transmission telling you, in the clearest language it has, that something inside is starting to struggle. Here is what's actually happening mechanically when you feel it. Your Toyota's automatic transmission shifts gears by directing hydraulic pressure through a series of solenoids and passages inside the valve body. That pressure is what engages and releases clutch packs to move you from one gear to the next. When everything is working correctly, that pressure builds and releases so smoothly and quickly that you feel almost nothing. When the hesitation starts, it means the hydraulic pressure is either building too slowly, releasing inconsistently, or the friction material on the clutch packs is beginning to wear and no longer grips as crisply as it should. The result is that tiny gap you feel. The transmission is taking a beat longer to complete the gear change than it was designed to. It's compensating. And the reason Toyota owners ignore it so consistently is that the compensation works, at least at first. The transmission finds the gear, the car accelerates normally, and everything seems fine. So the owner assumes it was a fluke. It wasn't. It's a pattern that has already started and will only become more frequent and more pronounced from that point forward. Now here's where it gets model specific, because this hesitation doesn't feel identical in every Toyota, and knowing what to listen for in your specific vehicle matters enormously. In the Camry, especially the 2018 through 2024 models with the 8-speed automatic, this hesitation most commonly appears during the 2-3 and 3-4 upshift under light throttle. You'll feel it most often in mild city driving when you're accelerating gently from a stop. It lasts less than half a second, and the car continues normally. Camry owners almost universally describe it as the car being a little lazy in traffic. It's not lazy, it's a degraded solenoid or the early stages of clutch pack wear, and on the 8-speed it tends to escalate faster than it did on the older 6-speed because there are more gear transitions happening per mile of driving. In the RAV4, the hesitation tends to show up first during cold morning drives before the transmission has fully warmed up, which leads owners to dismiss it as a cold weather quirk. It isn't. Cold weather exposes the underlying issue, but it doesn't cause it. If the hesitation goes away completely once the transmission is warm, you have a narrow window to address it with a fluid service. If it persists even after the transmission is at full operating temperature, that window is closing fast. In the Tundra and Tacoma with the 10-speed automatic, the hesitation often appears during towing or under heavy load before it ever shows up in normal driving. Truck owners interpret this as the transmission hunting for the right gear under load, which is partially true but misses the point entirely. A healthy 10-speed should handle load transitions smoothly. When it hesitates under load, the transmission is already under stress it shouldn't be feeling at that mileage. And because truck transmissions are working harder in general, the progression from early hesitation to serious failure moves faster than it does in a passenger car. Alright, quick pause. If you just recognized your Toyota in any of those descriptions, hit that like button right now and keep watching, because the next part is the most important. How you respond to this warning sign in the next few weeks will determine whether this is a fix that's $200 or $5,000. The like helps this reach other Toyota owners who need to hear this today. Let's keep going. The first thing you need to do when you notice this hesitation is get the transmission fluid checked immediately. Not at your next scheduled service. Not when you get around to it. Immediately. Degraded, low, or contaminated fluid is the #1 cause of this exact symptom, and it is by far the cheapest and easiest thing to rule out first. Fresh transmission fluid restores proper hydraulic pressure, lubricates the valve body passages, and gives the clutch packs the friction characteristics they need to engage cleanly. If the fluid is dark, burnt-smelling, or hasn't been changed in over 40,000 miles, a full fluid service is your first move. Cost is $150 to $250 at an independent shop. If the hesitation disappears within a few hundred miles of a fresh fluid change, you caught it in time. If the fluid is clean and full and the hesitation is still there, the next step is having a transmission-specific diagnostic scan done. Not just a generic Opto code reader, but a full scan that can read transmission solenoid data and shift timing parameters. A shop with Toyota-specific diagnostic software can see whether your transmission's shift timing is falling outside of factory tolerances, even when there's no active check engine light. This is critical because Toyota transmissions often develop shift timing issues well before they trigger a fault code. The hesitation you feel is the real-time symptom. The code, if it comes at all, comes later. What they find on that scan will tell you whether you're dealing with a solenoid that needs replacement, a valve body issue, or early clutch wear. A faulty shift solenoid runs $150 to $400 to replace, including labor, at most independent shops. A valve body repair or replacement runs $400 to $900. Those are manageable numbers. The reason they become unmanageable is that owners skip this step, keep driving on the hesitation for 3 to 6 more months, and by the time the transmission is showing harder symptoms, the internal damage has spread beyond what a targeted repair can address. At that point, you're into a full rebuild or replacement, and on a newer Tundra, that conversation starts at $7,000. There is also one more thing worth knowing that almost no one tells Toyota owners about this specific symptom. Toyota issued a Technical Service Bulletin, a TSB, for certain Camry, RAV4, and Highlander models related to transmission shudder and hesitation that can be addressed with a specific fluid update and software recalibration of the transmission control module. This is not a recall, which means Toyota will not proactively contact you about it. You have to ask. If your Toyota is experiencing this hesitation and it falls within the affected model years, that TSB repair can be done at the dealership, sometimes at reduced cost or no cost if you push for it. Look up your model and year against Toyota TSB numbers Z06318 and TC01818 as a starting point and ask your service advisor directly whether your vehicle qualifies. Here is the bottom line. Toyota builds transmissions that warn you before they fail. That is not an accident, it's the result of engineering that prioritizes longevity. But those warnings only help you if you take them seriously the first time. The soft hesitation between gears is not a quirk of the vehicle. It is not a cold weather thing. It is not the transmission hunting. It is a mechanical signal that something inside needs attention right now, while it's still cheap, while it's still targeted, while a fluid change or a solenoid replacement can still solve it. The 99% who ignore it aren't careless people. They're Toyota owners who trusted the car's reputation more than they trusted what the car was actually telling them. Don't be in that group. The moment you feel that hesitation, even once, even briefly, take it seriously. Get the fluid checked. Get it scanned. Ask about the TSB. Do it this week, not next month. Drop your Toyota mileage in the comments and let me know, have you felt this hesitation before? Did you act on it or drive through it? I read every single one of these, and I want to know how many of you are in that 99%. And if someone you know drives a Toyota and you think they've mentioned something like this before, send this to them right now. It might be the most useful thing they see this week. See you in the next one.